Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. Friends, today's video lecture we will cover how to solve a couple of questions of exercise 13. This is class 7, chapter number 13, and the chapter name is lines and angles. Now friends, in the last video lecture we had discussed and covered about simple interest, and friends, in the previous class, that means in class 6, what do you mean by angles? When two rays, friends, let us see, when two rays intersect at a point, there exists an angle. Look at the friends, this is OA is the one ray and the another ray is OB. These two rays, namely OA and OB, intersect at a point, there exists an angle. So that is the gap in between them is called an angle. Okay, a lines, friends, this is the line. So friends, lines at the ends. So line, friends, cannot drawn on the piece of paper, cannot drawn on the whiteboard or any board. That means we can say the line cannot be drawn on the surface of the line, Earth's line. Okay, because it has no endpoints, friends. This arrow indicates it goes to infinity, up to infinity. There is no endpoint, and this ray indicates that it goes to infinity, and so on. So there is no endpoint, so we can say it cannot be measured. Okay, so we cannot draw the line on the piece of paper. Now let's get started, friends, and talking about the questions. And we have taken some questions from exercise 13. As you can see on the board, friends, the first question says find the complementary of each of the following angles. Friends, question 1 has 4 sub questions, friend. Okay, we have taken only one sub question, 35. Here, friends, what first, this complementary angle, and you have already learned, friends, in the 5th class, 6th class as well, complementary angle. Very simple, friends. See, sum of any two angles is 90 degree. Suppose x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Then we can say x and y are known as complementary angles. Either, friends, example, look at 55 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 90. Then this both the 45 is known as complementary angles. Another example, friends, 30 degree and 60 degree. These two angles are complementary because sum of these two angles becomes 90. So this is called complementary. Once again, friends, sum of any two angles is 90 degree is called complementary angles, friends. Now see, friends, find the complementary angle each of the following. See, friends, here the first number is given 35 number. Now subtract, friends, subtract 35 from 90 degree. We will get, friends, this is this is 55. 55 is the complementary angle. So this is your answer. Now see, friends, next question, find the supplementary of each of the following. Supplementary means, friends, sum of any two angles is 180 degree, like 30 degree plus 150 degree. That is called, friends, because the sum of these angles is 180, so this 30 and 150 are called supplementary angles. Similarly, friends, if you have to find, friends, supplementary angle and the one angle is given, then the other supplementary angle is nothing but simple. We have to subtract 80 from 180, friends. So now the result is 100. So 100, look at the, friends, 100 is the supplementary angle of 80 degree. So we can say this 80 and this 80, sum of these two angles is 180. So we can say 80 and 100 are the supplementary angles. Now see the next question, friends. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Means find their measures. Very simple, the statement type of questions. First thing, and what it says, among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 36 more than the measure of the smaller angle. Now, friends, suppose let a smaller angle is suppose x degree. Okay, then the larger angle, friends. So larger angle, friends, 36 degree more than the small, than the measure of smaller, 36 degree more, that means 36 degree more than the smaller, यानी smaller angle से 36 degree क्या है, अधिक है. Okay, now friends, here the two angles are found. First x degree and smaller, and the greater angle x plus 36 degree. Now friends, now see, and these two angles, friends, what angles? This supplementary angle. Okay, now according to the question for supplementary angle, according to the question, this x degree plus x plus 36 degree is equal to 180, because these are two supplementary angle, friends. So sum of two angles is 180, becomes supplementary. Now add, friends, x plus x, 2x. So this is 180 as it is. Bring 36 to the left hand side, to the right hand side, minus 36. Now subtract, friend. This is 4, this is 7, so this is once again 4, and this is 1, friends, 2x. So x is equal to here 144 divided by 2. This is 7, 2 7 and 72 degree. So 72 degree the value of x, smaller angle. Now the greater angle, friends, x plus 36. Now the greater angle, what, x plus 36 degree. So x is 72 degree plus 36. Now add, friends, yes, 108 degree. So this 72 degree and 108 degree, these are two answers. Now see, friends, question number 7 says, in the given figure, AO is the straight line and the ray OC stands on it. Now find the value of x. So the angle AC O is given, friends, AOC given, and angle BOC is given. Now friends, we have to find the value of x. Look at the, friend, this is the, look at, this is the line. So this is the ray, OC is the ray on the line AB. If you look at, friends, in the look at, this is a straight line, friends. So the sum of these two angles becomes, friend, a straight line. The sum of these two angles is supplementary. Okay, now friends, from figure, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, friends, because adding these two angle becomes 180 degree, because this is the straight line, and you know, friends, the straight line is 180 degree. Straight line makes an angle 180 degree. Okay, because, and this is also known as, friends, is a straight line. Okay, now put the value of AOC, friends. AOC, this is 2x minus 10, and BOC, this is 3x plus 20 degree is equal to 180. Now solve. 2x plus 3x, this is 5x, friends, minus 10, this is plus 10, is equal to 180. This is 5x, 180 minus 10, so this is 170. This is 5x. Now x is equal to 170 by 5. 5 3 ja, friends, 15, 5 4 ja. So x is equal to 34 degree. So this is your answer. So you can match 34 degree, and also find the AOC and BOC. Now we have to find the angle AOC, friends. Now AOC is equal to, friends, this is 2x minus 10. So this is 2 multiplied by 34 minus 10. So this is 68 minus 10 is equal to 58 degree. Now BOC, friends, angle BOC is equal to 3x plus 20. So this is 3 multiplied by 34 plus 20. Now this becomes 122 degree. So these two are the answer. Now see, friends, question number 9 says, in the given figure, two straight lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. If angle AOC 42 degree, find A, first angle AOD, B angle BOD, and angle COD. Okay, So look at friends, and you know friends, the vertically opposite angle when two rays intersect. Look at friends, when two rays intersect friend at a point, there exist 1 2 3 4 angles friends, and the pair of each angles friends, pair of opposite side of angles are congruent friends, are equal. So that we can say the vertically opposite angle friend, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. We can say the vertically opposite angles are equal when two lines intersect at a point. Then there exist four angles, 1 2 3 and 4. But pair of each vertically opposite angles are equal friends. So here friends, have a look. Here CD is the one line and AB is the another line. These two lines intersect at a point O. So there exist four angles friends, 1 2 3 and 4. But pair of each vertically opposite angles are equal friends. So this 42 is equal to this 42. Now this angle friends is equal to that angle. Okay. Now see the friends solution. First friends, we have to find AOD. AOD friends, AOD is angle. Now AOD. Look at friends. We know friends, since angle BOD is equal to friends angle BOD, this angle is equal to friends AOC. Okay friends, AOC. So AOC, and now AOC is equal to friends 42 degree. We can say friend angle BOD becomes 42. Now BOD friends, this second solved. Now we have to find the AOD. Now look at the friends, AOD, this angle. So there are so many ways to find out friends, because these two opposite angles are equal because of vertically opposite angle. This is also vertically opposite angle. Okay friends, because when two rays intersect at a point, the vertically opposite angles are equal friends. So this is the first answer friends. Now BOD. So BO and D becomes 42 degree. And now AOD. How we can find the AOD? This angle. If you look at friends, this line, the sum of these two angles means this angle means AOD plus AOC is equal to friends 180 degree. Now from figure, angle AOD plus AOC is equal to 180 degree, because friend a straight line. Now friend AOD that we have to find as it is, AOC is equal to 42 degree friends, is equal to 180. So this imply AOD is equal to friends 180 minus 42. So this becomes friends, this is 8 and this is 7 minus 4, this is 3 friends, and this is 138 degree. This is the first solution, and second one is here friend. Now third, now the time to find the third. So AOD friends, AOD, this angle is equal to 138. Okay. Now see the next point. Now the third number is we have to find the value of COD. Now look at the friends figure. Here friends, CO and D. COD, here that we have to find the COB friends, COB, here is the B, COB. Now look at friends, this angle, these opposite angles are equal. Now friends, we can see COB is equal to friends angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. So AOD is equal to here friends 180 degree. Now COB becomes 138. So this is your answer. Now see friends, question number 11 says, the figure is given friends. Here is the rays, here is the OA, OB, OC and OD. There are 4 rays, and start from point O. So the angle is this the four angles exist, and the four angles are given, namely x degree, 74 degree, 56 degree and 100 degree, and we have to find the value of x, friends. Now see the solution. Look at, friend, if we add all these angle, friends, this is what, friend? This is complete angle. Look at this total angle is the complete angle. So we can say, friends, now the angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle, friends, COD, this angle COD plus this angle DOA is equal to, friend, 360 degree. That is complete angle. Okay. Now see, friends, put the value of AOB is 56, friends. BOC this is 100 degree, and COD, friends, x degree, that we have to find, and DOA is equal to 74 degree. So complete angle is equal to 360 degree, friends. Now add this plus this, friends. After adding, this is 7 plus 4, 6 plus 4, this is 10. 0, 1 is balance, friends. So this is 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1 is balance, 13. 1 is balance. So this is 230. Plus x degree is equal to 360. Now, friends, x is equal to 360 minus 230. Okay. So this is equal to, friends, this is 0, 3 and 1, 130 degrees. So this is your solution. Now your homework, friends, to complete exercise 13. Okay. Have a nice day.